Hey everybody, how's it going? So, as y'all can see, I'm up a little bit on the day. So I haven't started out and shown y'all everything from the beginning. Right now, I'm just kind of tweaking things around, editing a little bit, making it a little bit softer on the eyes. There we go. All right, we're good to go. So yeah, right now, just minor up today. I really was focusing on the other combines that I'd started. As you can see, I've manually locked myself out. I can't do anything else. But I'm already halfway done with all of. Oh wait, that one's passed. So that one's going to be an express account. That one's just started today, so tomorrow I'll pass that. That one as well has passed, so I'll have two express accounts. It looks like okay, yeah, two express at the end of the day. Shoot, before I go to sleep tonight, I'll have two more express accounts, and then tomorrow I'll slap these two on. That way, next week, even though it's a short week, Thursday is not going to be any trading with the markets closed. Thursday night, Friday, going to kind of be high volatility but low volume. So it's going to make it a little bit harder and a little bit tougher to comfortably trade. All right, so Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, going to be safe days to trade. Just remember that. But yeah, this was the Express account that I'd started, and I think I showed it. I can't remember. I think the video actually didn't. I think the video actually didn't upload. It wasn't live. So that's one thing that kind of killed me was video just never uploaded. Didn't start off right. But let's get into a trade or something but yeah, this is 2 days. So today's my third day with it. Yeah, today's my third day, and I'm already up $1,100. So even if I just squeeze out $200 the rest of the time, you're looking at 246, so $1,700 in profit, which means I could take out $850 if I wanted. But we're gonna try to work that up a little bit more. It's the goal is $1,000 per week per account. Make $5,000 a week. You're making $250,000 a year. Okay, put some off to the side for taxes. What I like to do is I like to take 3 paychecks, throw one to the side. Take 3 paychecks, throw one to the side. I got 2 separate bank accounts, one for play money and one for tax money. So when the tax money comes knocking, I'm not caught by surprise. I might have to dip into the bank account a little bit, or don't have to dip into it as much. And then that's the gist of it. As for this morning, what is this? You had the home sales. I didn't play either of these. The jobless claims, I wanted to play it, but with NVIDIA yesterday and their earnings, and it just absolutely destroying. Where is it? That's this morning. Yeah, they absolutely died off earnings yesterday. But then everything just simply recovered. Just recovered. I think I played a little bit at like 5 o'clock when I saw the sport trying to come back, and then it just rallied. I think I just played one. I don't think I played multiple trades. But then you had this morning's big rally starting at 3:30. Not sure where this came from, but it just boomed. What is that? What's that low? Low is 600, let's call it. Ran it all the way up to 900. So 300-point gain, which if you would have had a little buy order down here at the 600s, you just bought one con, 300-point gain is a $6,000 profit. Crazy how that happens. But I'm going to start probably. I don't know if I'm going to do it in my personal account. I feel like doing it in my personal account with my own broker. I use Webull. So I think maybe I'm just gonna start throwing stupid, stupid fill orders in. Like, so yesterday you had this low right here. Probably put in like a buy order here, or even what? Maybe I don't know. There's a lot of consolidation right there. I mean, shoot, even if you got in at 630, drop down to 600, so that's you're risking $600. But dude, you wake up and see that you're up $6,000. You know, Webull at the end of the day, unless you withdraw your money and they pay out the next day into my bank account. So if I withdraw my money by 3 o'clock my time, it's in my bank account by the time I wake up next morning. You know, so I mean, the ultimate goal is to get off the prop firms. Your ultimate goal is to fund yourself and pay for yourself. You know, and that's kind of the biggest thing. Not everybody can do it, but the sooner you can rack up 25 grand, throw it into a brokerage account. Throw it into a brokerage account. You're already playing futures. Learn the stocks, learn the patterns, utilize it the same exact way. So without further ado, let's see what we're doing. This is a 15-minute chart. There's a 15-minute range right there to right there. Just funny how these previous support and resistances are pretty spot on. That one's got a little bit of a gap, but nothing big. That one just passed a little bit. That one hit. That one passed a little bit. So yeah, your 15-minute range down here at 630. You really need to break that 900. Dang, yeah, that's just a lot. So let's see that hourly candle. Big old drop. It dropped even further, but recovered. We're probably going to pull right back here onto this 685. This is where I'd be looking to get long. If it can just bounce off of this, I'll get long. But it's tempting to take a long position right there. The trend is up. This curve. Dude, it's just skinny everywhere. 2 o'clock power. And it just got eaten up right at 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock it ate it up. So yeah, let's just kind of jump into it, get into it. I kind of tested around a little bit. This little 21 and 8 EMA cross is pretty. I like it a lot better on the 1 minute than the 2 minute. Just me personally, I like it a lot better. I mean, the 2 minute gives you that huge move. The 1 minute is more fast paced. I enjoy the fast pace going. So once we see that cross, once we get up under this 21 EMA, with the VWAP's right there, or above VWAP, we've bounced off of it. We've been under it all day. Rejected. Almost reached it. Finally broke it on the third attempt. So came back. You didn't test it fully. You tested it here. I think we're going to break the VWAP and just go down. So let's see what we do. See if we can't just scoop up a win. I mean, we're already up $7. That's pretty good. Up, and we're already closed out. So just like that, up $175. So realistically, I could just I could just click this little button right here, hit that, and can't trade anymore for the day. This is the point. See profit, take profit. You know, what am I at? I hate how you can't get that close position. This is why I do the hotkeys. This is exactly why I do the hotkeys, because you can't get both these damn things filled up. So yeah, let's see. My accuracy so far on this account is only 92%. That one's 62. Dang, that's rough. That was 100. That was 80. Man, there ain't no way. Let's go to this. Let's go to that bad boy. 78. 78.6%. Go to these stats right here. I took 3 losing trades. Rough. Almost 2-1. Best day of total profit. Oh, okay, yeah, cool. So they ain't gonna get mad at me about that. Profit factor 6-1 in total. 11-3. Okay, but yeah, just straight linear. What about that bad boy? Nope. Well, for every dollar that I lose, I make $24. That's pretty cool. That's that's a fun one. Lost $38, but I made $15.70. Oh, that's why this one's so low. So I had made too much. I had made 15.71, as you can see. So I sat there and I just hit the hotkeys, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. I just flipped them real quick and dropped my profit from over, from 15.71 down to 32. So that's why I did that. Okay. That makes me feel a little bit more comfortable. What about that one? 328, 179, 24.5. Yeah, we saw that. 2-1. That's better. So what did I do here? Yeah, 50.4. Okay. So yeah, the trick to this is it seems like Top Step. Yeah, this is nice. Apparently I'm making infinite money. That's cool. But yeah, so Top Step, they give you a little bit of wiggle room. They won't say it out loud, but $50 over is typically where they're comfortable at. So as long as you make like 15.50, 15.30, things like that, and just bump it over. So like what? 76 minus 25, that's 51. So 50 seems to be that like sweet spot. And they don't give you too much grief. I haven't had them deny making me an account for being $50 over. That's literally just one trade. So let's get back to this bad boy. I want to see the stats on this one. Yeah, this one's a lot. For every dollar I lose, I make 70 cents. That's got to be bumped up. But the crazy thing is, profits are there. My win percent is there. Today, my win percent is there. Just, I don't know. I don't know where that's all coming into play because I'm straight linear. Yeah, 2 days ago. So Tuesday started it, boom, 251, then 1100. Or that's my balance. Oh man, I did something with my balance. Okay, just 251, made 800, sent some change. And so far, 1343. So see if we can't bump it up. Remember, 5 days over $200 get you $500 a week minimum. Anything over $200 is gravy. Now, here's the thing, though. You want to pull out $1,000 per account, you got to make $400 a day. $400 on one contract is not that hard. When I'm doing my XFAs, I like to comfortably. Oh man, we got real lucky with that. We got real lucky with that quick short, that little scalp. That worked out in our favor pretty well. But yeah, on these XFAs, I like to trade just one because trades can go against you real quick, real hard. Not to mention they have a scaling plan. Even if I wanted to, I couldn't trade 5 or 3 yet. I still have to do one until I think get like $2,500. No, you can do 2, but in order to do 5, I think you have to have like $2,500 in profit. Again, I like to scale in. I don't like to just start out full sending it. That catches me a little bit. But yeah, so you already saw that 175. Let's see if we can't. 780 looks like a little support turned into resistance because it went right back down. So let's just see. Oh yeah, the 1 minute is what we've been doing on. But yeah, man, these all these lines. I think this was it. Nope, that's the super trend one. I used to mess around with the super trend, and I think that's VWAP. Yeah, it's VWAP. Yeah, I used to do this on the 1 minute. I mean, it's pretty accurate, pretty good, pretty solid, but like that right there, you get busted. I mean, if you want to do it on macro or micros, whatever, because I mean, shit, look at that. 755, and it tells you to get out 670. That's an 85-point drop. That's a $1,700 loss. But then you get in at 670. You get out. Oh yeah, that's another loss. Yeah, I think this is why I stopped using super trend. I mean, this one would be a good trade because even if it flopped down 614, even if it flopped down, still 93, like a 90-point gain. So I mean, $1,800. But again, after win, lose, lose, lose. Is that a loss? I get in right there. Oh, that's barely a win. So 3 losers in a row just to get 1 win and then another big win. So I mean, it's of course there's rules, and not everybody would hold for the perfect entry and setup. But what do I have it set to? 7.3. Oh yeah. I mean, you can make it quicker, 7.2, but still, I mean, I think I back tested this. I tested it out, and 7.3 was the perfect out of all the other options. I used to do like 13.3 and 9.2 and stuff like that. I think I settled on 7.3 after back testing it a lot. I mean, still, the 7.2 looks pretty good, but every day. I mean, this is all hindsight, so take it with a grain of salt, but 7.3 was always my option. So let's just make this a little bit cleaner for everybody's eyes, because we're just going to be playing the trends and breakouts and whatnot. So here we go. That's the first deal we are waiting on. We'll get back to this high, get to that low. So see, boom, boom, broke out, ran it up. Now it's either going to bounce off this or it's going to break it. If it breaks this, we're going to enter. We've already missed this opportunity. So delete. And then here you go again. Just draw the trend and boom. See, broke out. Even if you're not focusing, because this candle, remember this candle was live at one point. So even then, you're focusing on that this purple candle right here, okay? So look, you've already got your trend line. Now as it goes, just keep drawing with it. But we will just go back and forth watching these. I want to see if this turns into resistance up here. Because it always likes to fill about halfway. It always likes to fill about halfway of these large candles. This one almost got filled right after open, but news hype. So let's see if we break back in. Let's go. So here you go. This will make the chart a lot cleaner. There's 15-minute range. That's your range. We broke out of it. We broke down. Came back up. Broke down. Came back. Kissed it a little bit. Went down. Came back. Retested it. And now we're going up. There's a lot of ebb and flow, up, down, up, down. That's kind of the thing. But you can see on the 2 minute how much just struggles. It came back, hit the VWAP, and rejected back down, busted through the 15-minute range, stayed down here, consolidated a little bit, and just been on up, which, as we know, like I said last time, first move is always the wrong move. So where are we at? Consolidate. Where was ranging? We were. You could call it a range on this 5-minute candle. A little bit. First move was drop. First move is drop. First move is drop. Come back up. So now we see it on the hourly. We're just now breaking over the halfway point. That was a previous resistance. If we can break 786, come back and test, we're going long. I also don't see it going much higher without a current retracement. Even if it's just little, even if it's just quick. What is it? SPY has broken through its first level of resistance on the pivot point. Nasdaq's running up. Amazon's dropping. Nvidia's about to go from green or red to green. Apple's already green, and it's been on a tear. Tesla's just sitting sideways. The VIX is kind of face planted. And Bitcoin is sitting at 97.2. So let's just see what we're doing, where we go. This is kind of just a waiting game. If anybody's out there, if anybody's live right now with me, hit me up in the chat. Tell me what you're seeing, what you're looking at. So right now we are just waiting. Oh, this could be our break. See if it slides up just a little bit. And that's where we want to get in. See if we can't make a quick little scalpy scalp. Push it down just a little bit. Push it down just a little bit. There we go. 110. Yeah, quick 110. Okay. Boom. So we're almost there. We're already almost at the goal. And it might give us another re-entry opportunity right here. It was jerking around a little bit. I probably had that stop a little too tight, but freaking trying to get it just inch by inch. I mean, dude, some of these candles are $24. Like that right there. $24, it's a quick $480 in 1 minute. And right there is another $420 in a minute. So, I mean, shoot, the charts, all types of jacked up. I think earlier today on it was a 5-minute candle that was like, yeah, that one. That's $89. That's almost $1,800 in 2 minutes. 2 minutes, $1,800 per contract. That would have been beautiful. But yeah, as you can see, trend, broke, fell. 1 minute. Trend, candle, broke. You could even try to set this as like limit sell. See if it doesn't come back up and just, oh, yep, we've already got filled. See if we don't go back down and fill. And again, a quick $100 scalp. Boom, 441. So, I mean, yeah, these are just live trades of what I'm doing. So, just like that, quick $440. I really don't need to play anymore, and it doesn't seem like I'm going to. I think what I'm just gonna make another 400 tomorrow. Yeah, you make 460 tomorrow, and that's your $2,000. Then you got Monday. You got to play a little bit Monday. So yeah, I've got like 2 more days of just quick $400. Shoot, hold up. 400 tomorrow, you're 2,000, 460. You make another 400 at 2,400. Yeah, I'm comfortable with just a couple $100 more. I'm on track with my goal. You know, that's all it is. Is just stay on top of it, stay on track, and that's it. Like that right there. Trades, 5 winning trades, 1 losing trade. Oh, well, that's on today. But yeah, that right there. I mean, dude, 3 days I made $770. Okay. On average, that means I'm making about $257 a day. Not a lot of people out there working make $257 a day. You get to think that's $30 an hour. How many people do you know that work hourly and some even salary aren't making $250 a day? That's $1,250 a week. Okay. In a month, that's $5,000 per year. That's $60,000, and that's just with one account. $60,000 a year with one account. I'm about to have 2 more starting tomorrow, and then I'll have 2 more starting Monday. So I'm going to be fresh 5 accounts. Now, what's 5 accounts at $60,000 a year? That's $300,000 a year, and you just watched me in a span of a few minutes hit my goal, reach my goal, and now I'll be done for the day. You know, and that's just TopStep. TopStep pays out weekly. Take Profit is my other one that I've kind of been working with and talking to. I'm going to slap on 5 accounts there. They pay out daily. You know, you make $400 a day on those accounts. That's $200 per account. You got 5 of those accounts. That's $1,000 a day that you're withdrawing. You do that every day for a week. That's another $5,000 a week. Okay. And then we've already done the math. $5,000 a week. 5,000 a week, 20,000 a month, 250 or 260 a year. Okay. So 260 a year per company. Okay. You got TopStep doing 260. You got Take Profit doing 260. It's over $500,000 a year. You do that for the 1 solid year. Okay. I want to challenge y'all to do 1 solid year of that. Just 1 solid year and see how much your life changes. Okay. It's going to be discouraging. It's going to be hard. It's going to be tough. Nothing in life is easy, but some people can just make it look easy. Okay. But I'm going to be here. I'm going to sit here and I'm going to walk you through. Like, I'm just going to be doing live trades. You can either jump in with me or fade me. It doesn't matter to me. Okay. I'm going to show y'all what I see, what I do, and when I enter. But if you do this for a year, even if you just do it with 1 account, you're looking at a solid $1,000 a week, $52,000 a year per account. Okay, $52,000 a year per account. So this is an opportunity. If you're seeing this video, if you're watching this video now, here is a calling and an opportunity for you to change your life, change your lifestyle, and earn what you deserve. Okay? Earn what you deserve. Stop working for other people and doing for other people. Start working for yourself, and set yourself up for financial freedom. I'm not saying it's easy. Nowhere do I say it's easy. Understand, I lose still, and there's been some days where I will lose on the day of my payout. There's been a couple of accounts where I just ran it straight up. I said, "Oh man, shoot, I'm going to pull out like $2,000 this week on one account." Sure enough, I let greed get to me or something. I'll be up like $1,000 on the day, and I'll just get stuck. I'll just hit a deer in the headlight, watch my freaking P&L go to negative $1,000. I'm like, oh shit, I just lost $1,000. And then I'll sit there and just watch it keep racking up, Instead of just jumping out, bailing, and abandoning ship, I'll just sit there and freeze. And then the next thing I know, my account's blown. Okay, it's going to happen, and it's going to sting, and it's going to hurt every single time. It doesn't get any better. But I can't tell you, the first time I got a payout, it was the most relieving and most fulfilling feeling I've ever had, because it was something that I worked for, I worked towards, I earned it, I got it, and it was a solid, cool 5-figure paycheck in 2 weeks. Okay. 2 weeks, I just made 5 figures. Some people aren't doing that in 2 months. There's some people who aren't doing that in 2 months. Why? It did. Okay. Whatever. But yeah, that's another thing is when you can start doing this, you can start helping other people see it and understand it and possibly even do it as well. Because this is a lonely thing. This is a lonely game and a lonely job. But if you're the type of person who doesn't like taking orders, like taking instructions, like this, that, and the other, you want to be your own boss, you want to be your own person, here's your opportunity. This is it. But also remember, this is like a business. It only succeeds if you can succeed. So you have to drop emotions. You have to get rid of all the negativity and whatnot. Okay. You can't beat yourself up. Beating yourself up will affect your trades in the future. It'll affect your trades. It'll scare you out more and more. And that's not something that you need as a trader, and that's not something that's going to benefit you. You can learn from your mistakes, but don't hold on to your mistakes. Like me watching my P&L just freeze up, I need to learn to just close the trade. Yeah, it's going to sting. Yeah, it's going to hurt. But what stings more? Losing your profits for the day, or losing your profits for the past 4 or 5 days. Okay. Because you got to think about it. On TopStep, it takes you 2 days to pass. Make $1,500 one day, $1,500 the next. On that third day, you get to start trading. And then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So it takes you from beginning to end, or from beginning to paycheck, it will take you 7 trading days to get your first withdrawal. So when I blow an account on on that fifth day, when I blow that account, that's 7 more trading days. Okay. It sucks because look at everything that can happen in 7 days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Boom, 8. So make money. So there's 4 days of making money. Boom, blown account. Boom, blown account. All those gains gone. Okay? Start over. Halfway there, all the way there. Boom, now you get to start over. Day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5. Blow the account. All that again for nothing, you know? So yeah, I've learned that you can't that you just can't allow yourself to hold on to a loser. You got to be smart with what you do, but it's all on you. Ultimately, everything is on you. You have nobody to fall back on. You have nobody to complain. You have nobody but yourself. Okay. So as long as you can handle that stress, that pressure, then you can do it. Because there's no finger pointing in this. It's all you. Yeah, right there. But yeah, these little trend lines, just bloop, 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 bloop. So now we just wait for it to cross back up. And it might not cross back up. That's the other thing. It doesn't have to. You can also draw them from way down here to right there. You were in an uptrend for a little while. You broke down, came back and literally retested it. So drew it on the 5 minute, go back to the 1 minute. Run. Yeah. Little dippy dip. Came right back up. Bounced it, kissed it, bounced back up. Ran it down, came back up, and dropped. So I think here is where we're going to bust that VWAP. And I think this is just going to be my last trade. I really need to see this be resistance. So if this candle closes underneath, I should probably make that the resistance. Actually, that was perfect. That was support. There's your resistance. Yeah, damn, I should have jumped right in there. So I think here's where we bust the VWAP. No, I'm not going to. Do you want to buy the candle open? Do you want to buy the low? You got to make your decision now. Oh, yeah. Should have just jumped in. And that's how quick. Because jumping in there, 709 compared to 705, every dollar this moves, that's $20. So 709 to 705, that's $80 difference. Am I going to leave $80 on the table or play from behind $80? No, that gets pretty expensive pretty quick. So we'll just draw this bad boy again. See if we might just bounce off the VWAP. Look at that. Closed on it, rally back up, huh? Not a fan of it. Not a fan of it, but if it comes back up and kisses, as long as it doesn't break that high, we're going down. So what is that? That 717. Let's see. 700 is a nice little support area, and conveniently, the VWAP is pretty much on it. So let's see. We broke up. Going to come down and kiss this little area right here, 707. And let's go. So we took a long position. See if we can't get a nice little pop. If it hits that VWAP again, though, got to get out. Watch that, and boom, it was already, I just saw 100 kiss. Oh, dang. It's this game. I love this game. Oh. Whatever. It whipped up, and as soon as I let go of it, it whipped back down. But yeah, still 463, still made $20. $20 adds up. It all adds up, Look, 1560. It all adds up. All the little gains just add up, and just keep telling yourself that. Remind yourself that. Okay. So at the end of the day, that's what it is. What are we doing? Not doing too much, huh? Nobody out there on the stream. Nobody out there. I'm just watching. Let's just see. Okay, so what are we doing? I'm going to reject off that. Or is that going to be the new? What seems to be the new trend? What seems to be the new trend? Yeah, that was your breakout right there. So let's see if it doesn't come back. Kiss this area, 7-Eleven. Or if it turns this into, funny how that works. Resistance turn to support right there. And see if it doesn't just rally on up. And as it rallies on up, just move the stop. Boom. 60. 100. So once it gets filled, it's either going to give me $100 or, oh, yep, there's $100. So yeah, I feel comfortable just calling it a day. And that's how you secure and keep profits, especially with this. Most people just close out the tab and then maybe come back on a little bit later. Who knows? But it's 11 o'clock my time. I'm done. So I'm going to hit this fun little button. I am now manually locked out. Can't do shit until tomorrow. The market opens at 5 p.m. Central. So for the next 6 hours, I don't got to worry about the market. The market can blow up or drop down for all I care. I'm up 550 on the day, which is equivalent to 275. So I'm done. Y'all go enjoy yourselves. Y'all go enjoy y'all's day. Watch my previous videos. Watch what I've done in the past, and y'all go enjoy yourselves. This is something to do for yourself and financial freedom. And, oh yeah, here's a little tip. If getting a payout weekly seems daunting, how many trading days are in a week? There's 5. Start one or start your 5 accounts, okay? Play them all for a solid week. Get all of them to 5 trading days of over $200 profit, okay? Easiest way to do this is hit your settings, copy trading, okay? I can't do any right now because they're all locked up. Copy trade your 5 accounts. Trade them all for a week. They're all over $200 a day. Trade one Monday, or trade them all on Monday. trade all of them every single day. But on your first one, name this one Monday, name this one Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Take a payout from all of these accounts every single day of the week. Take a payout Monday, hits the bank account Tuesday. Take a payout Tuesday to Wednesday, Wednesday to Thursday, Thursday to Friday, Friday. Some banks will pay you out on Saturday. Some will make you wait till Monday. But then you're getting constant $1,000 a day every day of the week, okay? $400 a day. Start yourself off strong with a good head start. Hell, even wait till your balance gets up $2,000. Then you know for a fact you can withdraw $1,000. Work your balances up to $2,000 and just request, okay? It doesn't have to be as hard or scary. I mean, some people are trading because that's their only form of income. You can't make that your only form of income if you're sitting around leaving it all on the table and thinking, oh, shoot, I need to make X amount a day. TopStep's rule, simple, $200. $200 a day. You get 5 accounts, that equates to $1,000 a day, which means you can take out $500 per account. Okay, that's still $2,500 a week. And if you do it every day, take one account, if you just put it into a perpetual cycle, that's $500 a day, man. I don't know about you, but an 8-hour job at $500 a day, that means you got to be making something stupid, something like $57 or something, $58. Yeah. You know, an hour. So just think about it. Think about it. Take steps towards it. I mean, TopStep is the one that I would recommend now because they do have a quick payout. Take profit. You got to do 5, like their test requires 5 days. X amount of this, X amount of that. I mean, you can go read their rules and stuff. TopStep is who I would go with now. Over Apex. Apex just has that. Man, they really shot themselves in the foot when they said the 5-to-1 risk reward. I mean, shoot. That's that little $20 trade that I made a little bit ago. I think it flashed down to, I think my drawdown was like $100. I closed for $20 profit. You know, that right there would have put me out for 8 more trading days. Like I would have had to have waited to complete my 8 trading days just to turn around, be denied, and then restart my next 8 trading days. Okay. It's stupid. I'm not recommending them anymore. I don't like their business model and what they've done to themselves and to the traders. So TopStep is who I would go with. Take profit. My funded futures is another one I'm kind of considering, but I don't really know. I mean, take profit is daily. Okay, take profit is daily. Right now they got this fun little thing where the code is no fee 40. So NOFEE 40. You can start your account for $100. I think it's like $104 or something. But then there's no activation fee. So once you actually pass it, once you complete it and you're done, you just click activate, and then boom, from that day forward, you can start taking profits every day. But again, you got to pass 5 days. You have to check out like what the threshold or what the rules are. I don't know them off the top of my head, but it's not unrealistic and it's not extremely difficult, but it's just something that you really need to pay attention to and really work on and work toward. So that's more of like an intermediate prop firm that I would recommend. The beginner prop firm, just go with TopStep. Much easier, much simpler, black and white, plain and simple. So other than that, guys, y'all go enjoy yourselves, go enjoy y'all's day. I'm gonna go get some